Hello, people living in parts of Luton are being asked to take coronavirus tests after a sharp rise in cases in the town. Public health officials have identified a cluster in the LU4 area and have told residents they need to get tested urgently. Luton has the highest rate of infection in our region and the sixth highest in England. Rates in Peterborough and Northampton are also high. Ben Schofield has just sent this.
Luton Council used postcode level data to identify this cluster of 16 cases, all in the LU4 area of the town. They're saying anyone who lives within 8 postcode areas to get tested, whether they've got symptoms or not. And this is one of the locations where those tests will be taking place on Thursday and Friday this week. Well, I'm joined by Councillor Khatija Malik, who is the portfolio holder for health here in Luton. Khatija, how concerning was it to find this cluster in LU4?
I think it was very good to be able to identify that there was clusters through the testing system. So it shows that it was working. So in order to prevent a spread, I think it was important to work with the people around that area and allowing them to be able to come out and get tested. And this is one of the centres that has been selected for them to come out. And even if you don't have the symptoms, to come out and have a test in order for it to prevent it spreading within the town.
Now, you've listed 8 postcode areas where people should get tested if they live in those areas. How worried are you about community cohesion and tensions within the community?
I think we have some great work we do with the communities. We have meetings regularly on a Wednesday where we engage with the communities and are always making them aware of situations within the town, and I think they've always been with us in acknowledging that we are working with them in order for it to be spreading in Luton, and they're working alongside us.
Khatija Malik, thank you very much indeed. Well, the authorities here in Luton say that they're doing this work to try and avoid a lockdown. They're trying to be proactive to keep this outbreak under control.